ahead and check in if you need to. We'll be here. I got you checked in.
Thank you.
Hello.
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 Good morning.
Hello.
Yes, are you ready?
Yes.
All rise. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While court is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no hoodies. Please do not talk while the judge is talking. Please mute your phone while court is in session. Good morning, court is in session.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning, everyone. What I'm gonna do is try to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. I do realize that people sign in pretty much at the same time, but it is an order here, so that's the fairest way I can know how to operate. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Desiree Renee Longstreet.
Yes.
Case number 1695991, counts 1 and counts 2. Here's the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr.
That's Ms. Harris. I'm sorry, Mr. Berry. That's Ms. Harris.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Longstreet. Ms. Longstreet, please state your name for the record.
Desiree Renee Longstreet.
Your Honor, we actually are asking to recall this matter. I'm just waiting for the city attorney.
All right. Pass the matter. Mr. Berry, the City of Detroit versus Demetrius Grant, case number SP 173642271, SP 1758734, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grant.
Demetrius Deshaun Grant.
Turn your video on, sir. Good morning to you.
Morning.
Oh, the date and time. Yeah, everybody's got to turn the video on and be properly dressed and ready to go. All right. If you're not, we're gonna put you at the end of the line. Day is date and time set for a help me out, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, I don't find him on the docket.
Show cause. Show cause. Purposes of arraignment on the show cause, Mr. Berry. I see.
My client would stand mute, Your Honor.
William or not guilty plea on his behalf will give him a $0 bond. It's 2 counts of no insurance misdemeanor, Mr. Berry, and 1 expired plate civil infraction. Mr. Grant, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Mr. Berry is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Go in the room, let us know what you want to do when you come out.
2 no insurance counts and 1
expired plate.
Thank you.
Civil infraction. This is the City of Detroit versus Kahante G. Did I get the pronunciation correct, sir? Junior?
Yeah, you said right.
Case number SP 173733971. Good morning to you, Ms. Harris. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Keontae G. Jr.
Date and time set for a
Pre-trial?
trial. Mr. G, let's see if there was well, did you ever get an attorney contact you, sir?
No.
All right, let's get one on the spot here for Mr. G. I'm gonna get one on the spot for you, Mr. G. All right, let's pass the matter. I already spoke to Mr. Larry Lott. Mr. Lott, as soon as the officer, who's officer for Larry Lott? That would be Towns and Ratliff. Towns and Ratliff. As soon as they show, if they do show, we'll get you out of here. If they don't show by 9:30, we'll get you out of here as well, all right?
All righty.
Is that Brittany Gonzalez?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Brittany Gonzalez, case number SP 176-11391. Appear for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gonzalez, please state your name for the record.
Brittany Gonzalez.
All right, set for a pre-trial. Was an attorney requested?
Check.
I need an attorney. Nobody
No.
ever.
You've never talked to anybody. All right, go in the breakout room, Ms. Gonzalez. Today is date and time set for pre-trial. Speak to Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, how do I do the breakout? I see. Okay, thank you.
Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
Let's pass the matter. This Bradfield, this is the city of Detroit. Versus Shantia Grundy, case number SP 176-23501. For the record, please.
Your Honor, Daphne Bradfield, P 70578 on behalf of Ms. Grundy. State your name for the record, please.
Shantia.
Ernestine Grundy.
Shantia Grundy. State your name for the record, please.
Shantia Grundy.
Good morning to you, Ms. Grundy. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir.
Pass the matter. I'll call the city of Detroit. This is off docket. He was supposed to be here on the 4th. The city of Detroit versus Mario Macias, case numbers SP 1355594, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1624494, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Macias, state your name for the record, please.
Mario Macias.
All right, we call the date and time set for arraignment on the warrant. I'm gonna enter a not guilty on your behalf and give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna set this one more time for a trial date. Don't miss it next time, sir.
Okay.
Trial date is going to be October 16th. 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you. Mr. Waspy, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Good morning, Judge. We're here for Larry Lott, L-O-T-T, and I see he's checked in.
And I'm gonna put Mr. Lott in breakout room 5. I've already explained to him, if the officer doesn't show by 9, I'm put him in 6. You can go to 6, just make sure if Mr. Lott takes a deal, that client knows his advice is right. So Mr. Lott, join the room and just sit tight and wait on Mr. Waspy, all right?
All right.
Judge,
All right.
who's your city attorney today?
It's going to potentially be, Ms. Horn is gonna be the city attorney pretty much moving.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay, all right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gonzalez. Ms. Gonzalez, from my understanding, you want an appointed attorney?
Yes, sir.
I'm putting it in the chat now, Your Honor.
Ms. Gonzalez, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for October the 7th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set so that that appointed attorney has time to contact you and you guys have appointed yourself.
Your Honor, that's my son's birthday. We're actually out of town. Is there any way I can get a different date?
Are you asking, can you go out of town on your son's birthday?
It's already planned. If you could, that would be wonderful. Otherwise, on his birthday, I'll be on a Zoom meeting.
Where do you plan on going?
We already have tickets to Miami for his 19th birthday.
Pretty nice birthday present. Favorite time? Another date this week?
So you need another day.
It's actually my daughter's birthday today as well.
So you come to court on your daughter's birthday, but you can't come on your son's? And your son
Luckily, she had to go to school. So.
Miami?
Yeah, she had to go to school today. We're celebrating on the weekend.
All right, come back on pretrial date on the let's cut off for officers.
I'm not starting yet.
Just I don't know. What about the 16th?
Thank you, Your Honor.
So when do you plan on going to?
I'm sorry.
What is the date you plan on traveling?
The 6th through the 8th.
6th through the 8th?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll allow you to leave for Miami under a misdemeanor count in the state of Michigan, man. It's always a bond. It's always you're not allowed to leave the state of Michigan without the court's permission. That's why I say that. Allow you to travel. Yes.
Okay.
From September 6th through the 8th in Miami. And come back on the 16th pre-trial date. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, all right?
Okay, what time was it on the 16th?
At 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you and enjoy. Happy birthday to your daughter and happy birthday to your son, all right?
Thank you.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Joe Gondik. Joe Daniel Gondik, case number SP.
Good morning, Your Honor.
070111. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gondik, please state your name for the record.
Job Daniel Gondak.
Was an attorney requested, Your Honor?
I haven't gotten the file yet. All right, the date and time set for a pretrial. Yeah, attorney was requested. Can we find out who that attorney is? We'll pass the matter. We're gonna get you, have you talked to an attorney yet, Mr. Gondik?
No, I haven't, Your Honor.
I'll get you one on the spot, okay?
Okay.
Let's
Your
pass the
Honor,
matter.
did we lose Mr. Grant, Your Honor?
I don't believe so. No, he's still here.
Well, he needs to meet me in 2.
Go back to breakout room 2, Mr. Grant. Mr. Baughman, I have Miss
Okay.
G. I have Mr. G here. I'm gonna put him in 7. You were appointed to represent him, right? It's pre-trial today. Mr. G, go to breakout room 7 and wait on Mr. Baughman, okay?
Sounds good.
Not you, Dominic. G. He's in there, Mr. Baughman.
It is JANIA.
City of Detroit versus Kashan Gurung, case number SP 169-00663. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Hi, good morning, Your Honor. My name is Kishan Gurung.
Good morning to you, sir. Today's date and time set for arraignment on the bench. Warrant counsel, go ahead.
Oh, sorry. For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
We'll recall any and all warrants. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. What I'm going to do, Mr. Gurung, I am going to, he's paid 2 related civil infractions. He's paid 2 related civil infractions. I'm going to dismiss this case for paying 2 related civil infractions. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you very much, Your Honor. You too.
All right, you're welcome. City of Detroit versus Wallace Adam Gilbert Jr., case number SP 17559-351. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gilbert, please state your name for the record.
Wallace Adam Gilbert Jr.
Morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Time set for a trial. Mr. Gilbert, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Ms. Bradfield, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Grundy. Ms. Grundy, is my understanding you have valid documentation. Is that correct, Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Grundy, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation, all right? If there's nothing further, you have a very good day. and best of luck to you.
You as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Any relation to Ernestine Grundy? Maybe not, huh? Miss Ernestine Grundy, are you there? She's on the phone. Press *6 to unmute yourself, Miss Grundy, please. Mr. Gondik, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 8. Mr. Baughman's gonna be your lawyer. Wait on him to come speak with you, all right?
Sounds good.
Join the room, please. Ernestine Grundy, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? *6 to unmute yourself. Get the city in here, please. Ernestine Grundy, are you there? Okay. City of Detroit.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
The City of Detroit versus Ernestine Grundy, case number SP 169-58461. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Miss Ernestine Grundy. State your name for the record.
Ernestine Grundy.
All right. Today is the date and time, Miss Grundy, for pre-trial. We'll put you in a breakout room with Miss Bradfield. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Yeah, right. She's in there, Miss Bradfield. Pass the map. Our counselor, DeVille.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Who's your client?
I didn't see him in the room, but it's my understanding that the prosecutor is dismissing this case. I got an email, so I'm just waiting for them to file the nollie.
Who's that? Who's your client?
Ojo?
Ojo? Oh. Good morning, Ms. Horn. How are you?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm very well, thank you.
Ojo here.
Okay. And once I get co-host, I'll go right in. Good morning, Mr. Waski, everyone, Mr. Vio, Ms. Law.
Morning.
This is the City of Detroit versus Michael Ojo, case number SP 17028431. Appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tyler Velo, P number 75702 on behalf of Mr. Ojo.
Good morning, Mr. Ojo. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Ojo.
All right, date and time set for a trial on the matter. You indicated that there was a nollie cross in this case?
Yes, that's my understanding, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, I am reviewing an email from former prosecutor Schneider. She spoke to the sergeant, and this case will be dismissed for lack of recollection.
All right. Case dismissed, no recollection. If there's nothing further, Mr. Ojo, counselor, if there's nothing further, everybody have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge.
Well. Okay.
And when the court is available, I just need co-hosts when the court is available.
I thought I gave it to you. Did I not?
I don't think it popped up yet. There we go. Got it. Thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning, Judge. Just checking in here.
And who's that?
Officer Van Meer for defendant Derek Gunn.
Very good. All right, good morning, Officer Van Leer.
Good morning, sir.
Let's see, okay, I got you. All right, Mr. Waski, are you going to 4?
Judge, I don't believe the officer has checked in on this case this morning, so.
Well, we have another 15 minutes or
Right.
17 minutes.
Yeah, but I'll be happy to chat with Ms. Horn when she gets a moment.
We'll just go ahead and go to 4 and wait on her then. Ready on Grant?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Demetrius Grant. Grant, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your point on this?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that my client can return with documents.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Grant?
Yes.
Come back on October.
Say that one more time.
Come back on October 16th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Grant, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right.
This is the city of Detroit versus Melvin Gilliam, AKA Lois Nixon. Case number 0530819. Appearance for the record, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr.
I have attorney.
Oh, who's your attorney?
Carla Melvin.
Okay, pass the matter. There she is here. Ms. Marable.
Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Okay, I am here on my client.
Ms. Marable, put your appearance on the record for Mr. Gilliam, please.
Okay, Attorney Carla Marable for Mr. Gillian.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. I'm gonna put your client in breakout room number 9, and then the city attorney is gonna meet in 4.
Okay, because I kind of know what I'm going to do with this case. I want to set it for jury trial.
Dog back in the house or no?
You want to set it for jury trial? I need a jury trial date.
Okay, we're going to set it for jury trial. And I'm talked to the prosecutor about getting discovery, but this is to be a jury trial.
What day?
I think you have a jury trial October 14th.
Put this one on there too.
Okay, so, October 14th. 14th is your jury trial.
October the 14th is gonna be the jury trial date.
Okay.
And then we will have, a final pretrial date on October the 13th. I want you to go to the breakout room before you leave at 8:30. That's gonna have all parties need to appear. Not necessarily in person. The court just wants to make sure that we're not ordering a jury and the people who are ready or somebody's not ready, all right? So all parties need to appear. I need you to let, Ms. Horn know that. And then we're gonna set a, motion, due date by, September 26th. And a response date is going to be October 3rd.
Okay.
You got those, so just go in the breakout room, Mr. Gilliam or Mr. Mixon, you need to just concern yourself about the October 13th date at 8:30, all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
And
Your
I
Honor.
will go into the breakout room with the prosecutor. Thank
All
you.
right, best of luck to you, Mr. Mixon, and have a very good rest of your day. And if Ms. Marable have a good day, you don't have to come back if you don't have any more questions for the court, all right?
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Darian Darnell Gilbert Jr., case number SP 1758006.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gilbert.
Mr. Gilbert,
Yes, sir.
good morning. You state your name for the record, please.
Darian Darnell Gilbert Jr.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Gilbert, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial, okay?
All right.
Join the room and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Grant, you're free to leave if you don't have any further questions. All right, Ms. Bradfield, are we ready on Ms. Grundy?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, let's go back on the record with Ms. Ernestine Grundy. Ms. Grundy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, ask that this matter be set for trial.
Ms. Grundy, I'm going to give you a trial date. Are you there, Ms. Grundy? Where's Ms. Grundy?
Star 6 to unmute your device, Ms. Grundy.
R6 to unmute your device, Ms. Grundy. All right, Ms. Grundy, I'm going to give you a trial date for October the 16th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you very much.
All right, have a great one. This is the city of
Thank you.
Detroit. All right, thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Simon Alad. Give me the correct pronunciation of your last name, sir.
Gazariu. Gazariu, yes, sir.
Gazariu. This is the state of Michigan versus Simon Alad Gazariu, case number SX 455-74231. Good morning to you. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Simon,
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of the client. State your name for the record.
Simon Vlad Gazarian.
All right, Mr. Gazario, I'm gonna put you in today's date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Bradfield. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, join the room, let's pass the matter. Mr. Demetrius Grant, what do you need?
Do I leave or stay?
You got your next court date, right?
I forgot what he said with date.
Well, that doesn't.
They better not be trying to fucking manipulate my son.
Demetrius Grant is going to be back on October the 16th at 9 a.m.
October. All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
Y'all have to. Y'all too.
Officer Bell. All right, I'm just waiting on the lawyer now.
Just gonna get a couple minutes before we go to the next one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Officer Bell, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. Who's your defendant?
It's going to
Richard
be light. Yep. Yes, sir.
Okay, very well. Is Richard Lydell here? That's Whitey's client. Get Whitey in here.
Okay, let me get out of here. Mm-mm. Girl.
You need me to put you out, Miss Marable?
Oh, you know what? But I'm sorry.
Miss Marable?
I'm back, Judge.
Are we ready on anyone, Miss Harris? No. All right, we're still waiting. Hoffman, are you ready on anyone?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Nelson. I'm just checking in with you. I have to check into Judge Williams' courtroom.
All right, good morning, Officer Nelson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am thankful to be here, Judge, and I have at least 6 different clients here. I have 3 of them in the breakout room. I just saw Mr. Joel Green, I thought, and I invited him to the breakout room. I have Richard Liddell, Job Daniel.
Why don't we do, you have Richard Liddell?
Yes.
All right, the officer's here for that.
Okay.
Why don't we get the ones out that just want a trial request?
Okay.
James Gordon needs an SOS as well.
Yes. I need an SOS for Gordon and Rabbit.
All right, let's go with G. I'm gonna pray that's just a trial, right? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. G. Mr. G, Mr. Balkman, state your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Mr. G, state your full name.
Keontae G. Jr.
Good morning.
All right, Mr. G, you want a trial, so I'm gonna give you a trial date on October the 16th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. G, you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. I have Richard Liddell here. Is Richard Liddell here? I think he did here. I'll see Richard Liddell. All right, who else are we ready on? I have a valid license for Olympia Gravit. And then you have Gondik on the, you have Gondik in number 8. That's your client as well, Mr. We want, who's next, Mr. Bachman? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Darian Gilbert. Mr. Gilbert, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will require a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want, Mr. Gilbert?
Yes.
All right, I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Yeah, I said yes. That's what I want.
Yeah, I need a good phone number from you.
Oh, I'm sorry. 213-888-1165.
1165, 888-1165.
Yes, sir.
And I need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the 7th of October, which is your next court date at 8:30, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Be safe. What is that?
Yes.
City of Detroit, Mr. Perry versus Kiera Gillespie. Case number, did I get the pronunciation wrong now?
Kiera Gillespie.
Come on, Kiera Gillespie, case number SP 168-95091, SP 171-5541, counts 1 and counts 2, appear for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gillespie.
Kiera Rhonda Gillespie.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Well, yeah, not guilty plea on Ms. Gillespie's behalf. We'll give Ms. Gillespie a $0 bond. Ms. Gillespie owes $336 on a no insurance proof. She has an off-docket matter expired plate and a no insurance proof. I'll allow Ms. Glassby to pay the $45 reinstatement fee upfront for the no insurance proof, and I will set aside the defaults on those two matters. Ms. Glassby, I'm gonna put you in a breakout with Mr. Barry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room. Let's pass the matter.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilbert. Mr. Gilbert, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to take a plea.
That is correct, Your Honor. It would be amended to an unlicensed person to drive and a 3-month delayed sentence.
Allowing an unlicensed person to drive?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor. She did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir. I did.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 21st, 2025, at around 4:21 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Kirchable and Field Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Operate a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
My driver's license had been suspended or revoked. The only reason I was driving, I was
Very
told.
well. You don't have to go to the dog and all of that. It's we find you guilty. That's all I needed to know. That
Yes,
your
sir.
license was suspended or revoked. Find you guilty of the amended count of allowing $240. I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it, Mr. Gilbert?
I can pay it tomorrow.
All right, make sure you have it paid. Come back, if you pay it tomorrow, come back Thursday morning at 8:25, first thing Thursday morning. If it's paid, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's paid, then we'll dismiss the case, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Excuse me, Your Honor. How do I pay that again? How do I pay it?
Pay at any DivDat kiosk, DIVDAT in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. They'll go through immediate.
Thank you. I'll be down there tomorrow.
Best of luck to you, Mr. Gilbert. Have a very good rest of your day.
Yes, same to you, sir. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Gregory Alvin Griffin. Case number SB 1751968, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair Actor Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Gregory Griffin.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Plain or not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Griffin, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? He's in there, Ms. Harris. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, could we go back on the record with Ms. Longstreet?
We may. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Longstreet. Ms. Longstreet, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I thought we would be able to resolve this today, as she does have a witness with her. Ms. Horn is asking that the matter be set for trial, but I would also ask on behalf of Ms. Longstreet that an attorney be appointed. I can collect her contact information in the breakout room.
Or she can give it to me now if she wants to, but that's up to her.
I
You
can.
want to put it in there? It's going to be broadcast on YouTube if you put it out there now. If you want to put it in the breakout room, or join the room and speak to Ms. Harris.
Ms. Longstreet, I'm going to pull you back into a breakout room just so I can explain everything to you again, okay?
Okay.
I'm
Thank you,
going to
Your
give
Honor.
her a pretrial date too on October the 7th. That date is set so that the appointed attorney can have contact with you, Ms. Longstreet. If that appointed attorney does not contact you by October 7th, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
So you asking me to leave?
Nope,
No, you
join
go
the.
to the breakout room and give Miss, and then you can leave after that.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Just looking for the Melvin Gilliam file. It's an OWI.
Yes, it's here.
I think that's the only.
That's all persons in person, Ms. Mathis.
Okay.
Here it is. There's a
That's
whole.
Yeah, I'm gonna go make a copy of it. That's probably all we got.
All right, let's go with,
I'll be back.
let's
Your Honor?
go with, yes, Mr. Barry.
Your Honor, we need Mr. Patel for Ms. Glaspie.
Okay. All right, Ms. Glassman, I'm gonna get him here as soon as he can. He's usually very prompt. All right, let's go. Dante Grimes. Is Mr. Dante Grimes here?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit, good morning to you again.
Morning.
City of Detroit versus Dante Grimes, case number S1731211, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grimes.
Dante Lamar Grimes.
Is the time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Grimes an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Grimes, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw. Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Pass the matter. Mr. Baughman, are you still there? Wow, what's that?
28 officers on the sick list.
On that telephone there at 313-741-7137. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Mark Goodwin.
Say that again.
Mark Goodwin.
Mark Goodwin. Good morning to you, Mr. Goodwin.
Good morning, sir. I've been on the phone. I called 36th District. I didn't know how to do the Zoom, but he just told me I was on the phone for like 45 minutes waiting on them. Yeah, when they got on the phone, they told me to call this number. So that's how I just got connected. I was supposed to have been there.
You haven't missed anything.
I called. Okay. Hello, you still there?
I'm still here. Just sit tight.
Okay.
Now, we're waiting on the lawyers, so just everybody, give me a few minutes, please.
Yes. Hello?
Give me 1 minute, Mr. Goodwin. You're gonna, you're just gonna be, it's gonna be a while. You're the last one to join in.
Okay.
If you happen to get muted, you need to press *6 on your phone to unmute yourself, okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Judge,
Yes.
Sierra Glassby speaking. I do have the paperwork that my lawyer needed. I just want to let him know that I have it now.
Okay, but you still need to speak to Mr.
Yes,
Patel.
sir. Yes, sir. I just found it.
And let Mr. Patel know that as well. He's a lawyer as well. He'll be here
Okay.
shortly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is your number, so I'll call you. Have a good.
Okay.
Ready
You
on
ready
Griffin.
You ready on anyone, Ms. Harris?
On Gregory Griffin.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gregory Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he's requesting the appointment of
Is this phone you're calling in on, Mr. Griffin, the best number to reach you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 313-741-7137.
No, that's not you, Mr. Griffin. I'm gonna mute you. Mr. Griffin,
Yes, sir.
is this the best number to reach you?
Yes,
That you're calling in now?
correct.
All right, I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by October 7th, that's your next court date, October 7th, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right. Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit. No.
And Your Honor, before you call the next
First-
case, I did put Ms. Longstreet's information in the chat.
And I took it down already.
Thank
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Armani Alexis Lee, case number SP 1753147, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lee, please state your name for the record.
Armani Alexis Lee.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, give Ms. Lee an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Lee, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room, speak to Ms. Harris, let us know what you want to do when you come on, all right?
Thank you.
We'll pass the matter.
requested hearing last one. We haven't heard anything.
Counselor, are you ready on Gucciardi?
Yes, Judge.
Our City of Detroit versus David Gucciardi, case number U713534425. Appearance for the record, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Lance Bruck for David Gucciardi. Here we go. Who is appearing by Zoom with me. Your Honor.
Mr. Gucciardi, state your name for the record, please.
David Gucciardi.
Sure. Okay, day is the date and time set for a pre-trial. What does your client want to do, Counselor?
Your Honor, I've had discussions with my client as well as the prosecutor in this matter. Apparently, there is some outstanding discovery that we have not received, so we have stipulated to a 30-day adjournment so I can review it and hopefully we can resolve this too by the next time we meet.
Why don't we set a trial date, October 16th. If it's not resolved by then, we'll give you some more time.
Okay, will that be appearing in person or could we still appear by Zoom?
That's like Burger King, Counselor. You have it your way.
Okay, we'll
That's the best I can come up with.
Okay, so October 16th?
October 16th at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you both. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, that sounds good. Thank you.
Mr. Grimes, take your hoodie off. Wake up.
I don't have a hoodie on.
Not that, Mr. Grimes. It's your brother or your cousin.
Sorry about that, Mr. Sorry about that, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. You got to help me out with the last name again, so I'm sorry. Simon?
Yes, Your Honor. Gazario.
Gazario. Let's, you want a trial date, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to have you back on October the 16th, 2025 at 9 a.m., sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're very much welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Derek Dwayne Gardner, case number SP 1759810, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gardner. State your name for the record, please. Hit *6 to unmute your device.
*6, unmute your device, please. Derek Dwayne Gardner. *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Gardner. One more time, *6, Mr. Gardner, Derek DeWine Gardner. Press *6 to unmute yourself,
Hello?
please. State your name for the
Hello?
record, sir. Good morning to you. Mr. Gardner?
He just muted again. Hit *6, Mr. Gardner. State your name for the record.
Hello? Derek Dwayne Gardner.
All right.
Good morning,
to
Your
you.
Honor.
All right, good morning. Day and date and time set for a pre-trial. Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in there. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Gillespie, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 9. Mr. Patel is here. He's gonna come speak to you. Good morning to you, Mr. Patel. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Dante Grimes. Mr. Dante Grimes, I'm gonna be giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date, so he might return with documents.
Trial date, Mr. Grimes, October 16th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, you too.
He is here on. I do not know. When, Derek, when? This is the city of Detroit versus Derek Lamarck Gwynn. Case number SP 127180882. SP 1004427. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1083058. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 111750. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 113775. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 110. Strike that. SP 1170417. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1177151. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1186079. SP 1213485. SP 1287734. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1292941. SP 1336929. Counts 1 and counts 3. SP 1443161. SP 149898232. 2. SP 1748046. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1748244. SP 1761366. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 9963821. Fifteen 463837. 16 2220121. 16 2240451. The state of Michigan versus Derek Gwynn. Case number SX 44765941. Appearance for the record, please.
Derek Gwynn.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gwynn.
Derek Gwynn.
Morning to you, sir. We have Spidell is here. Gorsh is here. Headley is here. Nelson is here. Beckham is here. Nazar is here. Huber is here. All right. Mr. Gwynn, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
All right.
I'm
Your
pass,
Honor?
I'll put you in a break. Yes,
Well, yeah, I think you've read off more cases that are on the docket.
did I?
I believe so. The series with 16, I don't seem to have any of those.
I counted 37 into the record.
I believe there are 34 on the docket.
Well, there is. So. That would be, one of them would be an improper lane use. No, it's not. That's on the document. And then I didn't count 12-630-4201. That's another one that's it's adding to it. So we're missing at least 3 cases. All right. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna really matter much. Get them an updated offer.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial. I'll put you in a breakout room, Mr. Quinn, and Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come back. Today is the date and time set for a trial.
All right.
Let's pass the matter. Join the room, sir. All right. I wasn't a lawyer. Mr. Corporal Beckham, let's, I'll just put you, I'll allow you to put you when we go back on Glenn, all right? I just call this case into the record. Cases into the record.
Morning, Judge. Lasky.
Ready?
Yeah, they're gonna dismiss the two tickets that are involved in this matter.
City of Detroit versus Larry Anderson Lot. Case numbers SP 1303723, SP 1725392, counts 1 and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, for the record, James Lasky, P 31546 on behalf of Mr. Lott, who's present.
Mr. Lott, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Larry Lott Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Is Officer Radliff here or Officer Towns?
Judge, let me, if I might, real quickly, on ticket 17253921, Officer Ratliff did check in, and Officer Ratliff has absolutely no recollection on this ticket. So the city is moving to dismiss this ticket. And on ticket SP 130372123, the city is moving to dismiss that ticket also, as Mr. Lott has complied. He has insurance on the vehicle. And the officer did not check in on that case either, so.
I was going to get dismissed anyway.
Right.
Dismissed for no recollection, and I'll dismiss and grant the motion for provide valid documentation. Mr. Lott, there's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, Mr. Lasky. If it's nothing further, have a good day as well.
Thank you very much, Judge. Appreciate your time this morning.
You as well.
Yep. Bye.
On the iPhone, ma'am, what is your name, please?
My name is Eris Gioviniello Flack.
Good morning to you.
I'm so sorry that I'm late. I slept right through my alarm. It was for 9:30.
All right. Goodbye.
Thank you so much.
Just waiting on a lawyer.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, is Ms. Flax on the docket?
Yes, ma'am.
835 toward the bottom half of the 835 on the first page.
Your Honor, is there the standard offers still available for compliance?
Yes.
Okay. And could I have a license check on your Gillespie? I believe she should only have the one hold here in Detroit.
Can we get a license check on glasses? Give me 1 second, Mr. Patel.
Thank you.
Ready on Gardner, Your Honor.
Glassby is suspended.
Suspended. Is it? Are you able to see the holds?
No insurance.
Okay.
This is
Just in.
that's the one she owes the $45 reinstatement fee on.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll wait for her.
Thank you.
Based on her situation.
Yeah, I think we have a resolution outside of street court. Would you want me to appear, or would you want House counsel?
That's up to her. It doesn't matter. Does she not need your services?
She does in the. We're going to provide her like resources, but I believe she can resolve the issues before the court without going through street court.
Okay. And that was Mr. Berry. Okay. Let's do it. Let's. If you're okay and you got her contact and everything, you're free to leave, Mr. Patel.
Okay. I will.
Stick around, Mr. Berry, and find you can discuss it.
Yes, please. Thank you.
All right. Miss Bradfield, you mentioned you're ready on who?
Derek Gardner.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Derek Gardner. Mr. Gardner, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's the client want to do?
Your Honor, would like to ask that this matter be set for trial.
October the 16th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Gardner, are you there?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, October the 16th at 9 a.m. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Also, I'm just checking back in.
They're working on it now on when. All right, Miss Dejanay Green, are you there?
Oh, I'm done, Your Honor.
You're done. Come back on the 16th of October.
Yes, I'm here.
City of Detroit, Ms. Bradfield versus Dejanay Green, case number SP 1089683. Strike that. SP 1089683, SP 1205589, SP 1346316, SP 1378024, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1409451, SP 1421286, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1437636, and counts 3. SP 1446611, count 1. SP 1570048, counts 1 and 2. SP 1583040, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1601797, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Anthony Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Green. State your name for the record, Ms. Green.
Dejanay Chanel Green.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
For the purpose of arraignment, she stand mute, wait formal readings.
Win or not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. As it relates to the driver's license, if Ms. Green does not already have one, I don't see anything here affecting her ability to get a license. Ms. Bradfield, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Green.
I have my license already.
Runner license, please.
Pay for it to get it back, and I got the. Hold tight, Miss Green. Hold tight, Miss Green. This is not the time.
I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Bradfield, go in the breakout room, speak to Ms. Green. Ms. Green, Ms. Bradfield's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room, please. I'll let you know when the license. The license is valid.
Thank you.
All right. He's passed the matter. Go back on the record, Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there is a recommendation to dismiss these matters. She was able to present valid insurance and registration. I'll also note for the court that she is a senior at Grand Valley State University, majoring in stenography, graduating May of 2026.
Oh. Congratulations, Ms. Lee. Grand Valley State, that's an awesome campus over there. I went there one time. I was truly impressed. All right. I'm going to give you a dismissal now and wish you the best of luck on your studies and your future endeavor, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Case is dismissed. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm able to leave.
You're able to leave.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
You have a better one. Is that Cameron Gardner?
Yes, sir.
Or to you? Detroit versus Cameron Gardner, case numbers. SP 1760212, count 1, 2, and 3. SP 1760214, appearance for the record, please.
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gardner, please state your name for the record.
Cameron Gardner.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. There was 3 matters that went into default. Disregard a red signal, no insurance proof, and no valid registration. If the city has no objection, I'll allow Mr. Gardner to be heard on those matters. Mr. Gardner, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Have a conversation with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir.
Join the room, please. Pass the matter. All right, we're waiting on a lawyer.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Ambrose. Are we ready on Gwen? Mr. Berry?
Yes, ready, Your Honor.
Mr. Gwen, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gwen. Mr. Gwen, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to allow him to plead to 2 counts of improper plates and 2 counts of failure to display. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
We haven't finished with taking that. How do you, Mr. Gwen? Mr. Gwen? Derek Gwen? Am I being heard, Mr. Berry?
Certainly, Your Honor, you are. And he's in the courtroom.
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right, do you want to take the deal? 2 counts of improper plate, 2 counts of failure to display?
Yeah.
This device is slow. Raise your right hand, Mr. Gwen. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna turn your camera off, see if that works a little better, all right? You can put your hand down.
All right.
Mr. Gwen, you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not? Mr. Gwen?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, not really, you're breaking up. Did Mr. Berry go over your other advice and rights in the breakout room?
Yes.
Did you understand those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Mr. Quinn, let me draw your attention back to July the 27th, 2025 at around 10:58 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Joy Road and Strathmore. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
You say yes?
Yes, sir.
All right. And did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license, registration, and insurance? Mr. Gwynn?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license, registration, and insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
I never obtained a driver's license for one, period. And the vehicle I was driving didn't have no insurance or nothing on it.
And it didn't have any, it wasn't registered, correct?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display for not having a driver's license. And for improper plate, amended count for not having the insurance, amended count of improper plate for not having the registration. Mr. Gwynn, let me draw your attention back to June the 26th, 2025, at around 8:22 a.m. in the city of Detroit, area of Joy Road in Greenfield. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And the officer asked you to produce valid driver's license then?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
Why is that?
I don't have a license.
Very well. Find him guilty of the amended count of failure to display. And you mean to tell me all the other cases dismissed, Mr. Berry?
That's correct, Your Honor.
That's some good lawyering there, Mr. Gwynn.
Yeah, he is a good lawyer. I appreciate it. And I thank y'all for giving me the opportunity to resolve all these tickets for real.
I would like to see Mr. Gwynn come back in here and show me a valid driver's license at some point when you get this stuff taken care of.
Yeah, that's the goal, Your Honor.
They're gonna be out over there on Joy Road. And remember what we said last time, Mr. Gwynn, that still applies. Don't come back in here with these tickets again.
I ain't coming back. I ain't gonna drive a vehicle until I get my license. I swear.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Nelson. Mr. Liddell.
Officer Nelson, can you take your hat off, please? Good morning to you.
Yes, sir. So Mr. Liddell is here. He's actually in the hallway, but he's waiting to be let into Zoom in your room.
All right, Richard Edwards, I'll bring him in a second. Mr. Boffman is there. All right, I'll bring him in a second. All right. I'm going to stipulate the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to fine you. 240. And 240. I'm going to give you a break on one of them. I won't fine you on the one. No fine. All right. So that's 240, 240, and 240. And then you owe a host of other civil infractions. I'm going to set this matter for review for next month. I'm just going to set it for review for next month. That's going to be October the 9th. October the 9th, 2025. I'm going to mark the file allow payment plan. I would pay these no insurance proofs, these 288s. You pay these 288s off first, you'll potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license. I see 1, 2, 3. Come back on October the 9th at 2025 at 8:25. And either get into a payment plan, you're gonna have to come down to the courthouse and do that, or pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I will say, Mr. Gwynn and I do share probably one of the only things we have in common is maybe not the only thing, but the only thing I can see now is that we share a birthday together. So happy birthday. I'll see you a week after that. All right.
All right. You said that's October the 9th, right?
October the 9th.
All right. Thank you. Happy birthday too.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Berry, you officer are free to leave. Nazar, Edley, Beckham.
All right, Your Honor. I appreciate you, man. Be safe.
And be safe out there, everybody. Be safe, all right? All of them on Glenn, they're free to leave. That's half of them. Now, Mr. Berry, go back and Miss Glimpse, go back in the breakout room with Mr. Patel. Miss Glimpse is there. I think they settled it up. And let's get Miss Glaspie out of here. Miss Glaspie, I think just go back in the breakout room and go over that offer or whatever needs to be done with that, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Glassman, rejoin that room, please. All right, I'm waiting on the lawyer. Officer Carter, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm well. Odom, I don't think we have an Odom.
My name wouldn't change for me. I couldn't do it, and I was trying to rush into here. I just got off traffic. I'm actually here for a D. Atkins.
You're in the wrong courtroom then.
Or I'm lying. T. Rocha.
Huh?
Could you tell me which courtroom I be in?
Yeah, if you give me a ticket number.
P 17415321.
17431.
17415321.
You are supposed to be in 220, courtroom 220. Informal hearings. Be safe out there, Officer Carter, and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Mr. Lydell, are you on that Richard Edward phone?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you. Mr. Boffman is here. He's gonna
what?
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Wait on Mr. Boffman, all right, Attorney Boffman.
Okay.
So they're gonna.
We'll
do that.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room number. I'll just put you in 7 with all the other Boffman clients. Join the room, please. Okay, let's go back on the record with Ms. Glaspie. Ms. Glaspie, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration, and we have the off-docket matters dismissed, and we would set the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive your vehicle, we set that for a bench trial, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Glaspie, I'm gonna set the matter, the one one SB 1689591. I'm gonna set that for trial. The other 2 off-docket matters, SB 1715541 counts 1 and counts 2. I'm gonna dismiss those cases, ma'am, so you don't have to pay that reinstatement fee anymore. Your license, I would go to the Secretary of State though and check on your license, all right, after today, okay?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Glaspie, I understand that your times are probably a little bit difficult for you right now. I know that you didn't officially get into the street court program, but I do believe in Mr. Patel's work, and I've seen it work. I hope that you can stick with it. I hope that times get better for you sooner rather than later, ma'am. And I'll leave you with this quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. He says that the true test of a man is when that person is not when that person is sitting in the moments of comfort and convenience, but when that person stands in the moments of challenges and controversies. So this is your test, ma'am. Why God made you have this test, I can't answer that. But I do know that if you persevere and you stick with it, then you'll see the light will shine brighter at the end of the tunnel. And like I said, I do believe in the guidance, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll be praying for you, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck, and we'll see you back on the October the 16th. If it's nothing further, best of luck to you, okay?
Yes, sir. So much.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Patel, I don't think anyone else, I'll let you know,
Thank you, Your Honor.
though. Thank you.
This officer Van Meer.
Yeah, Van Meer.
Where?
Yes. Van Meer can leave. Gwen is taking care
Morning,
of it.
Judge. Are you already taking care of it?
Signed it. Yeah, Van Meer took it.
Okay, perfect. I'm testifying. Thank you, Judge.
Very good. Please
That's
stay
good.
out there.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Berry, this is.
Thank you.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Trayvon Jaquan Gray, case number SP 1069923 SP 1207963, counts 1 and counts 2, 18480503, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gray.
Unmute yourself, sir. Good morning to you. Mr. Gray, are you there? Unmute yourself, Mr. Gray. He must have fallen asleep. There he is. He fell asleep. Get up.
Oh, no, I don't fall asleep. No.
He didn't fall asleep. Oh my goodness. Get up. Get up.
I'm up.
You did fall asleep.
Yeah, you all right?
Sitting there. I don't know why you gotta lie about it.
No.
I don't know why. I don't know why. Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I am not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gray, put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have enough to like to a trial. All right, join the room, please. Pass the matter. Are we ready on anybody? Ms. Harris, Ms. Bradfield?
Not quite, but could we check the status of Mr. Gardner's license, Cameron Gardner?
Cameron Gardner. Check the license, please. All right. It's valid.
Thank you. I will push Ms. Horn to room 4.
Brian, want to go back to sleep too? We'll get you out of here as soon as we can. I'm waiting on Mr. Boston.
Okay.
Want to go back to sleep? Think you too, Ms. Memphis? Right. Is Mr. Gray ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that he might return with documents.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gray? Did he fall back asleep? Mr. Gray? Where'd he go? Trial date is October 16th. There he is. Trial date is October 16th, Mr. Gray, at 9 a.m., all right?
Say that again, sir. I couldn't hear you.
Trial date is October 16th at 9 a.m., all right?
All right. So is my license still suspended as of now?
Oh, no, I didn't check it. It doesn't, I don't see anything, what I don't see anything here that would keep your license suspended. I would suggest you go to Secretary of State and ask them, try to get a license. If you can't get a license, then ask them for a printout. They should be able to give you a printout and tell you everything that's affecting your license. I don't see anything down here that's affecting your license. All right?
Oh, okay, sir. All right.
All right, you gonna go back to sleep or you going to Secretary of State?
No, I'm finna get out. I was waiting on y'all, man. I'm about to get up.
All right, have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Spencer Grimes, case number SP 172-5783, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 172-65021. Appearance for the record, please.
Norwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grimes.
Spencer Lambert Grimes.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Corporal Reinhardt, good morning to you. Name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Good morning, sir. This is Corporal Reinhardt, badge number 1151, 10th Precinct.
All right, I'm gonna ask you to start your camera. Good morning to you, Corporal Reinhardt. Please. All right, Mr. Berry, give Mr. Grimes an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Grimes, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in the breakout room, Mr. Berry. Today is the date and time set for that trial, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I don't understand this right there.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Ms. Harris, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gardner. Mr. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 over, with the remaining matters being dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gardner?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
On behalf of your client, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
With that, I'm gonna find you responsible, Mr. Grimes, for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. It's gonna be $125. I'm gonna dismiss the other cases. When can you pay it?
I can pay it today, Your Honor.
Just make sure it gets here by the Friday or before Friday, Friday or before. And pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. Or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, sir. There are other ways to pay it, but those are just the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, all right?
Yes, sir.
If it's nothing further, Mr. Gardner, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. City of Detroit. Ms. Harris. Versus Anthony Devon O'Neill. Case number SP 1367470, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1749520, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1749525, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1749531. Appearance for the record, please.
Anthony O'Neill.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. O'Neill.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer James Bradford is here. Let me print him out the breakout room. I did not see an Officer Harris though.
Harper?
Is that Harper? I'm sorry, Harper.
Mm-hmm.
I don't believe I saw Officer Harper. Mr. O'Neill, go into the breakout room and speak with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial, okay?
Okay.
Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Anybody here on Kathy Lyons? Young can lead. Bird can lead. Officer Young, good morning to you. Kathy Lyons never appeared.
Oh, okay.
You're free to leave. Be safe out there, all right?
Thank you so much. You have a good one.
You're welcome.
Well, excuse me, Your Honor. This is Corporal Slidell. You said Lyons did not appear?
No, Lyons did not appear. Gwen is gone. He took a plea. Good morning, Corporal Spidell. If you don't have anybody else, you're free to leave as well.
All right, thank you. You have a good day.
As well. Ambrose, Corporal Ambrose, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You're on. Or did you just stop by to say hi? I don't see you on the docket. All right. Bird is here. He can leave. Trying to pull him out. And Mr. Bachman, I don't know what's taking him so long. Do we have change for it?
Excuse me, Your Honor. This is Officer Bradford.
Yes, he's coming out now. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Neill. Officer Bradford, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Good morning. Police Officer James Bradford, badge 697, assigned to the 3rd Precinct, Detroit Police Department.
Ms. Harris, put your, did you work it out?
I did, Your Honor. Mr. O'Neill is going to enter a plea to the amended count of improper plate.
You want to take the deal, Mr. O'Neill?
Yes.
Take the deal, Mr. O'Neill. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
And you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights to breakout rule, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
We carry your attention back to July 19th, 2022 at around 2:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Greenfield and Capitol. Did you have an occasion on that day, excuse me, to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating this 2001 Kia?
I'm sorry.
Were you operating this 2001 Kia?
Yes.
Was that your vehicle?
We're
Yes.
doing it to the unregistered vehicle, Your Honor.
You said it was
Being
his
amended
vehicle.
to improper plate.
Was there registration on that vehicle?
On which vehicle, sir?
2006 to 2021 Kia.
Yes, it was.
There you go. Can't take that deal. Was there insurance on the 2001 Kia? Go ahead.
Oh, I was just gonna say, Your Honor, you said a 2001 and a 2021, so.
Yeah.
2000, I
Kinda
think he
confused.
understood. I did say the difference. 2021, it seemed like he still understood. 2021 Kia, I'm sorry, red in color.
Was it? Yeah. Yes.
You know the vehicle I'm thinking of, right?
Yes.
And that's your vehicle, correct?
The Kia?
Yes.
The Kia was my vehicle.
Yeah, did you have either registration or insurance on that vehicle at the time you got stopped?
I had registration. I don't believe I had insurance at that time.
But did you have a valid driver's license?
No.
All right, so allowing for the same difference. Any objection to that?
Just improper plate on the no insurance. Plus, I understand, Your Honor, that he does have a license currently. Is that correct, Ms. Harris?
No,
That's
no, Ms.
really of
Horn.
no consequence. If he didn't have a license at the time anyway.
Okay, thank you.
And just for the purposes of the plea, I'll find you guilty of the amended count of allowing for not having a valid driver's license. It's the same as a improper plate. $240 will be the fine, no abstraction. I'll dismiss upon payment. When can you pay it?
Check my dates really quick.
On behalf of the people, I had the wrong client, Miss Harris, sorry about that.
No worries.
Smile.
What's today? Probably like 2 weeks from now.
2 weeks?
Yes.
Come back. Come back on, what's today? Come back on the, I won't be here. We'll pay it by October 19th, October 9th. Come back on October 9th.
October 9th?
October 9th. Pay the div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I've told you to upload to div that app to your phone. Or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Could you say the amount one more time? I'm sorry.
240. I'll waive the warrant fee.
Okay.
Wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you. You too.
Thank you. And Officer Bradford, be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day as well.
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. Is that Robert Grant?
Yes.
Robert Grant?
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Is he represented by anyone? This is the city of Detroit versus Robert Bartell Grant Jr. Case number SP 172-15031, SP 172-1510, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 173-13441, SP 173-13551. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Grant, please state your name for the record.
Robert Grant.
Officer Del Zacchio, good morning to you.
Good morning. Officer Del Zacchio, badge 706 Detroit Police Traffic Enforcement Unit.
All right. And Corporal Bennett, good morning to you. He's in the room there. So I have both Corporal Bennett and Officer Del Zacchio here. Ms. Harris, get Mr. Grant an updated offer. Mr. Grant, Ms. Harris will get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right. Half the matter.
checking on two defendants. If they showed, did Kathy Lyons show up?
No, she did not.
Okay. And, let's see, who else? Grant, Robert Grant.
Everybody else, Grant's here, she's talking to Sarah.
Okay.
She's talking to Sarah right now.
Okay, cool. Thank you, Judge.
Harris, Officer Harris never showed up. So, all right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green, Ms. Dejanay Green. Ms. Dejanay Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is aware of her trial rights. However, she would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation. I will go over the plea, which is if she was to plead to ticket number SP 1570048, count 1 and 2. Both of those charges will be amended to improper plates. If she was to plead to ticket number SP 158304, count 1 and 2. Both of those charges will be amended to improper plates. And count 3 will be amended to failure to display a license. If she was to plead to ticket number SP 160179, count 1, it will be amended to failure to display. Count 2 will be amended to improper plates. And count 3 will be amended to failure to display. It should be a total of 5 improper plates and 3 failure to displays. And the balance of the tickets will be dismissed. And I would like to speak as the sentencing when it's time, Your Honor.
And you have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
All right, you want to take the deal now?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice or rights to break out on, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
Yeah.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Start with, carry your attention back to July the 23rd, 2024, around 7:18 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Greenfield and Schoolcraft. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
I'm not sure the specific day.
Well, you gotta be sure of the specific day. You said on July 23rd, 2024, around 7:18 in the city of Detroit, area of Greenfield and Schoolcraft. You remember that, ma'am?
Yes.
Were you operating that vehicle on that date and that time?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Your Honor, if I may.
You may.
The 3 that I'm asking her to plead the failure to display, we wouldn't mix those 3. Because she get them 3 of them.
Yeah, I'm not gonna find her for it anyway.
Yeah, but I don't want her to have to be dealing with Secretary of
So
State
3
on.
failure to displays.
The people will move for dismissal since she has a valid license.
1, 2, 3.
Yep, that's on suspended.
Very good.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Ms. Horn.
Yes, Ms. Bradfield.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Let me see if that was the same day on those other tickets. Yeah, same date and time. You were operating this 2012 Ford that day, ma'am? I didn't hear you.
Yes,
And was that your Ford?
yes,
And the officer asked you to produce valid insurance on that car?
yes,
And you couldn't do that, could you, ma'am?
correct.
Why is that?
Didn't have it at the time.
Very well. I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate for not having the valid insurance.
Mm-hmm.
Let me draw your attention back to.
Say it again. I'm sorry.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 7th, 2025 at around 6 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Auburn and Capitol Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes,
You were operating that same 2004 12 Ford?
yes,
And did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance
yes.
on that vehicle? You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
And the officer asked you to produce valid registration, is that correct?
Yes,
And you could not do either, could you? You couldn't produce insurance or registration that day, could you, ma'am?
no, I could not.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate for not having the insurance, improper plate for not having the valid registration. With the stipulation of probable cause, I'm gonna dismiss the other matters.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
All right. As it relates to sentencing, you indicated, Ms. Bradfield, you wanted to say something on your client's behalf?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Green did pay some civil infractions. She still have quite a few to go. She is working with a program that's trying to help her take care of these matters.
Okay. Let me ask you this, Ms. Green.
Yes.
Are you in stable housing, ma'am?
Yes,
Do you have any kids?
yes.
How many kids do you have?
One,
And are you working?
yes.
All right, Ms. Bradfield,
I also just want to let you, can I talk?
yeah, you may.
I just want to let you know that, I was making poor decisions back then, but, I've been trying to get my life together recently. I lost the father of my son's dad, and there's just been a lot going on, but I'm trying to get my life back together on the right road.
You say you lost your mom, ma'am?
No, I lost my son's dad.
Oh,
And
I'm
I've been
sorry to
trying-
hear that. I'm sorry to
Thank
hear that. My condolences go out with you. I see that you're trying to get everything together. You come in here with a valid driver's license and the court recognizes that, and I congratulate you on that. I do sympathize with the loss of your son's dad, so, and we send our condolences out. As far as, what do you want the court to do, Ms. Bradfield?
She still has a lot of civil infractions that she needs to take care of, Your Honor. So I'm asking for leniency with fines in these matters. And if possible, if for the civil infractions, if the late fees could be waived.
How long have you been working?
2 years.
Oh, so you've been stable on your job then, correct?
Yes.
All right. What I'll do, I'll waive the warrant fees.
Thank you.
I will waive late fees on civil infractions. I'll only fine you for one of the improper plates, $240, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
And the other ones will be no fine.
Okay.
I'll give you 30 days to try to figure out a game plan on getting this stuff paid. I'll mark the file, allow payment plan as well. So do one of two things, man. Either come down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan.
Okay.
October the 9th, 2025. You have anything else?
What is the total? You said 240? That's the total, right?
I won't be able to give you a total. You're gonna have to go back on and get a register of action or something when you come down here, after Ms. Mathis processes all this. So we can come down to the courthouse and pay and get into a payment plan before October the 9th. You're gonna come back October the 9th at 8:25. Or pay it and then you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the did that app to your phone. Or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. There are other ways to pay it, ma'am, but those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. You have any questions?
No, I did want to let you know that I'm working with the organization and they're going to pay it for me.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Well, then you didn't have to
Do I have
worry
to come
about it.
back? I have to come back to court
I
for
saved
that.
the organization money then, so they can help other people. That's a great thing. And ma'am, on the Miss, do I get the pronunciation of your last name right, Reverend Bouye?
Yes, sir. Reverend Bouye. Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. And you're with what organization?
Right More Connections, sir. We've been recently funded through Priority Healthcare, and we've been addressing the barriers that preclude women with children and the ability to get safe and secure housing and jobs. One of the biggest things that we've paid out over $40,000, Your Honor, in the last 3 months alone, in warrants and fees, so that the women can get jobs, so that they can be able to get housing. We also have emergency transitional housing where we house families here, but we can put people into housing. But of course, as well, you know, Your Honor, keeping people in housing is impossible if they can't get good family wage earning jobs. So that's what we've been working on. Yes, sir.
Hook up with JS.
Yeah, absolutely. I commend you on that. I try myself to take all of those things into consideration when I impose sentence. I make sure that none of the defendants that come in my courtroom on traffic matters, mostly on any matter, but don't have a bond on their tickets, so you can let your clients know if they have the last name GL or O, or if they're in front of me. Well, I have the last name of GL or O, that they can zoom in anytime. I don't charge a bond for them so their cases can be put up on the docket. And I know it's just a number of things. There's a lot more barriers, but I've found a lot is young women with children that are in particular in a case and this is unfortunately not Ms. Green's case, but in particular where the significant other or husband or somebody has passed or is not in their lives or something like that. I'm finding that a lot of young ladies cannot keep employment because the cost of childcare is just astronomical.
It is. Yes.
You know, it becomes they say, Judge, I lost my job at Chrysler or some other the big threes that saying I've lost my job because I can't afford the child care costs. So
it's true. And may I say this? May I share this with you, Your Honor? We also do, we have a co-op daycare. So co-op daycare is something new. It's an incubator where it allows one mother to be able to step in and babysit while the other mother's at work. But I wanted to share with you, sir, that one of the biggest barriers that we found, and I myself was not aware of this. I know that you are, but I was not. And so this is where a lot of money's come in at that we've had to spend, is the fact that in the state of Michigan, you know, it used to be you were going to the pool. If you didn't have insurance after so long, you were going to the pool, and you know, and then you go back in to get insurance. But now because of the recent laws that the insurance companies have decided to adhere to that went into effect in 2020, where if someone doesn't have insurance, they have to have had insurance for at least 6 days. If they haven't had insurance for 6 days, they will not insure them. So that places people having to go to the predatory insurance companies, LA Insurance. And Your Honor, for 4 days of insurance with LA Insurance is $390. For 14 days is $596. Yes, sir. I just wanted to share that with you. Yes.
I did not know that. I did not know that.
Yes, that's the cost of it. $596 for 14 days, $392 for 4 days of insurance. And then, of course, people get insurance so they can get their tags and so they can get the job and whatever the case. And then, of course, they don't have insurance anymore. And so that's what's going on. So that's a big piece that we've been working with policy, so we can work with some policy folks, because we got to address this, because as well, you know, not having proof of insurance attaches an immediate warrant, and that warrant means they can't get a job. And so we're in the spin cycle.
I know the cost of insurance, and I always say it, that I believe we're being taken advantage of, mostly because we're Black.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
We've had this cost on us for all of my life, pretty much, and
it's egregious.
Even myself, it becomes hard, and I have a very good job, and make a very good salary. Even myself, to insure the vehicles, it becomes very, very expensive. And you make sure that you watch what type of vehicle you buy and all that stuff, because sometimes the insurance can be more than the vehicle itself.
More than the vehicle. And then when you talk about women living in cars with children, no insurance on the car, then we in another cycle. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we see the cycle. I see the cycle all the time, and I do see the cycle. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to amend that other improper plate and no fine that as well. We'll try to save the agency some money. Ms. Green has taken responsibility for her actions, and I believe she's well on her. She's rectified that. She's got a valid driver's license. And Ms. Boyer, if you want to leave your contact information in the chat for me, I would love to be able to have another resource that I can have to provide young ladies. We try to use Mr. Patel for the housing situations and things like that. But if I can do that, I'll give you a contact a little bit later on today, and we'll see if we can make sure that we at least let you know. I know those programs are limited on funds, and when they have them, you want to get them out to as many people as you can, and hopefully they can keep those grant monies going for you.
Yes, sir. I definitely so. I'm putting my phone number in the chat now, sir. I look forward to talking with you. I welcome whatever help you can assist with, but most surely the ability to assist with their clients as well. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, Miss Reverend Boyer and Miss Green, I wish you both the best of luck, and I'll give you to that October the 9th date to get that straightened out. Again, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you both, and have a very good rest of your day. All right.
You as well, Your Honor. Bless you, sir. Bless you.
You as well.
Thank you.
Is that the 220 number, Ms. Boyer? I guess so. All right. Let's see. Ms. Bradfield knows I'm soft for the. All right. Let's see here. Mark Goodwin. Is Mark Goodwin still here? Is he asleep? Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Goodwin. This is the city of Detroit versus Mark Aaron Goodwin. Case number SP1705370, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP170866361. SP1744574, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Goodwin. State your name for the record.
Mark Goodwin.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for ringing on the bench warrant for the purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
He stand mute and waive formal readings, Your Honor. Ask that the warrants be recalled.
On his behalf, will give him a $0 bond. Now, something strange going on here. SC 170-86361. It appears that that's already been adjudicated and that should be closed out. It seems like he got a $240 fine on that.
Which ticket number is that, Your Honor?
SP 170-86361. And I want to make sure that that didn't ride along with other tickets that he has.
Okay.
It did not. I'm going to close that matter out. Mr. Goodwin, we're going to breakout room and speak with Mrs. Bradfield. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? He's in there, Ms.
Okay.
Ms. Griffin-Boyer, is that 220 number your number?
Yes, sir. I logged back in. When I was logging off, I heard you call. Yes, that's
Okay,
that's my correct number. I just put it in.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll be texting you. I'll call you later.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a great day. Bless you.
All right. Ms. Harris, do you have anyone?
Yes,
Let's
sir.
go back.
No, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grimes. Mr. Grimes, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to enter a plea to the disregarding a traffic device sign. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
As charged to the disregard the traffic control device?
Yes, Your Honor.
You know that's a 3-point offense, Mr. Grimes?
No, but I know now.
It's a 3-point offense.
Me just not getting my license back too. So I don't even know what to say about that.
I don't know if it's going to necessarily affect your license, but it's certainly going to affect your insurance. That.
Man.
Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303. What I have considered is I've considered many factors, and I believe the penalty is rightfully due here. There is a history of running lights and causing crashes as a result.
I wasn't really questioning that, but that's what you heard that, Mr. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You do have a history of running red lights?
Well, you know, some of those things when I did have license appeared for me not having license right now because of friends knowing that I had license and was using my name at the present time. At that time, so I can't even dispute it because I don't know when it was done and how it was done. So
that's not my question. That's not my question.
Yes.
Are you telling me that you don't have a history of running red lights, or you do have a history of running red lights?
I don't even know how to answer that.
You don't know how to answer it. Do you run red lights or not?
No.
No?
No, sir.
It was just this one time.
Yes,
and all
sir.
the other times were your boys that used your name.
Yes, sir.
Well, that's unfortunate. All right. If he takes the deal, you want to take the deal? $130.
It's $130?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count, as charged to the disregard and traffic control device assigned 130. When can you pay it, Mr. Grimes?
Can I pay it on the thirds?
Pay it by October 9th, 2025. Pay it at any DivBack kiosk in the city of Detroit. I told you, you can upload the DivBack app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Mr. Grimes, you gotta stop running them lights.
Yes, sir. I'm able to pay it on the third.
Yeah, I gave you to the 9th.
Oh, to the 9th. Oh, yeah, beautiful. Thank you.
I shouldn't have told him that because now he's gonna wait till the 9th to pay it.
No. Actually, I'm paying it on the first. I'm gonna pay it on the first, actually.
All right. Best of luck to you, Mr. Grimes. All right, Corporal Reinhardt, be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Your Honor. God bless.
And thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
Thank
this
you.
is the city of Detroit. You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Ernestine Giovanello Flack. Give me the correct pronunciation. Giovanni.
Yes, sir. It's Eris Giovanello.
Say that again.
Eris Giovanello Flack.
Giovanello Flack, correct? Eris Giovanello Flack.
Yes.
Take case number SP176388701. Ms. Flack, state your name for the record, please.
Eris Giovanello Flack.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a is it show cause, Mr. Barrett?
Pre-trial, Your Honor.
Pre-trial. Mr. Barrett, put your appearance on the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name again, Ms. Giovanello.
Eris Giovanello Flack.
Giovanello Flack.
Yeah.
Let's go put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility to 2 counts of limited access 1 to 5 over, with the remaining matters being dismissed.
Limited access 1 to 5.
Yes, Your Honor, 2 times for the 16 to 20 and the disregard red or amber signal.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf?
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
With those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 times 2. One is for SB 172-15031. The other one is for SB. Who's that? Mr. Grant. SB 173-13441. $125 a piece. When can you pay it, sir? Robert Grant. When can you pay it, Mr. Grant? You have trouble speaking with him, Ms. Harris?
I did not.
Mr. Grant, are you there?
His phone died.
He's gone. He's gone inaudible. Let's pass it. Let's call the city of Detroit. Mr. Baughman, are you there?
I'm here, Your Honor. Ready.
Let's call the city of Detroit, let's recall the city of Detroit versus Joe Daniel Gondik. Case number SB 17071111. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name.
Job Daniel Gondek.
My client is advised and wishes bench trial be set today.
October 16th, Mr. Gondik at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, you say you have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Mr. Boffman, I do see Officer Bell here.
Okay.
Yes. Right. There was another, I don't think that for Mr. Grant, are you there? All right. There was Joel Green. I don't think Officer Harris showed on Joel Green.
You ready on that?
City of Detroit versus Joel Green, case number SP 172-74461, SP 172-76041. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Joel Green.
Judge, move to dismiss for no complaining witness. It's now 11:38. Trial is set to start at 9.
All right, okay, motion granted, case dismissed. Mr. Green, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. I'll be safe.
City of Detroit, here's right. City of Detroit versus Richard Edward Lydell. Is he here?
He's in the hallway.
Thank you, Mr. Hoffman.
Give him an advice or right for him. You can bring him in. Okay. Did you already see Mr. Lydell?
Yes, we're ready.
And Officer Bell, would you please move to room 1, Officer Bell?
Yes, ma'am.
City of Detroit versus Richard Edward Lydell, case number SB 1649761, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Boffman, on behalf of the defendant, would you, sir, give your name loud and clear?
Richard Liddell. Good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a trial. Officer Bell is here. Did you work it out?
My client is willing, according to the recommendation, Your Honor.
And what is the recommendation?
Open alcohol passenger.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Liddell? Give him an advice right here. You want to take the deal, Mr. Liddell? What's the deal? Open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger. I really call it a non-deal because it's the same. You're going to get 2 points on your license as an alcohol-related offense, and it's going to be 2 points, the same as if it were the driver, and it's going to be $240. But we'll dismiss the misdemeanor, no insurance.
Yes.
You want to take that?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. I'm going to pass it. Read over that advice of rights form and sign that, and I'm going to take someone else right quick, and then we'll recall it in just momentarily. All right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Who else, Mr. Hoffman?
Olympia Gravett is ready, Judge.
This is the City of Detroit versus Olympia Gravett, case number SP 1728250. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1728251. Counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1728252. Count 2. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Unmute your device, ma'am. State your name for the record.
Olympia Gravett.
Judge, we're moving to dismiss the instant cases for lack of a complaining witness. Officer Tyrese Henderson.
All right, Mr. Gravett, case dismissed. Be safe out there. And you do have a valid license. Congratulations on that. Best of luck to you. No officers.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day, Judge.
That was a better one. James Gordon,
Ready.
he has a valid license as well. I believe. Yes, he has a valid license as well. Pardon me?
You got compliance documents all around.
City of Detroit versus James Gordon. Case number SP 173-09801, SP 176-3721, count 1, SP 176-3722, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Lowell Gordon.
One more time, we can hear you.
James Lowell Gordon.
Thank you. So,
All right, Mr. Gordon, today's date and time set for morning to you. Corporal Bajan, are you there? State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Corporal Jamie Bajan, badge 234, Detroit Police.
Good morning to you, and go ahead, what's the deal?
so we have a matter that's set for trial for which officer, I think it's Bolthouse.
That's correct.
Failed to appear. However, that officer has called in sick. We ask respectfully, Your Honor, if you would consider moving to dismiss this matter, and the alternative, we need a new bench trial date. The defendant does have compliance documents. If the court can confirm that he has a valid driver's license, I believe the remaining issue of fact would be with respect to a moving violation. Mr. Gordon, the prosecutor has offered, because they're dismissing that insurance and the plates, that you plead to blockading, which is a 0-point offense. You will pay a fine. So we're going to respectfully, with respect to Corporal Vajan, the good Corporal Vajan's tickets, plead guilty to 1 count of blockading, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, and just checking, I think one of the issues that he had insurance, but he did not have registration, and the people had offered improper plates.
Right, he does have both of those today.
Thank you very much.
Yes. You're welcome.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss the SP 173-09801. I understand Officer Bolthouse is sick, but I just have you here today, and that the people have recourse if they wanted to bring the ticket back. But I'm gonna dismiss the case for that reason. And then you want to take the deal on the blocking traffic, sir? I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated for the purpose of today's plea.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated. Thank you.
I won't put no officer though, he was sick. All right, so blocking traffic 175. You owe a number of other civil infractions, sir, that you're gonna have to pay as well.
Okay.
175. When can you pay it?
Next week.
175. Pay it by September the 19th. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload DivDad app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Officer Bajan, you be safe out there. Corporal Bajan, I'm sorry, be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day. And Mr. Gordon, you be safe as well. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's
it for you, Mr. Hoffman.
It is. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.
I'll see you next time. Let's go back on. No, Lydell. You got Lydell.
I thought we did a plea on that. Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lydell. Mr. Lydell, you've read and signed this advice of rights form?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
And you know by taking the deal, you're gonna lose those rights, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me draw your attention. Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated, that we stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 28th, 2024, around 1:51 a.m. in the city of Detroit, area of Grand River and Westbrook. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And were you in this motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Empty container.
Empty container. Okay, well, you can't be found guilty of having an empty container.
So it had to be alcohol?
Of course, that's what is open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Right? That speaks for itself, doesn't it?
Well, the lady I had with me had a drink next.
What did she have?
Some, liquor.
What kind of liquor? What's she scared for?
I don't know, it's just.
What kind of liquor was it?
Parmesan.
There it was, there you go. Now, was there something in the container?
No, I mean, it was in the glass in the thing next to my armrest, yes it was.
There was Parmesan in that glass next to your armrest?
Yeah.
All right. And it was open, right?
Yes.
All right. And there was something in that container?
Not on the floor.
No.
That's what he said.
No, the Parmesan, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether it was on the floor. As long as you just can't have open alcohol. Okay. If you go to the cabaret, and you host this cabaret, and you bought all this liquor for your guests, and now you have some liquor that's left over. In order to legally carry that liquor back home, you have to put that liquor in the trunk of your vehicle.
Oh, okay.
You can't ride around with open alcohol in your motor vehicle because the best prevailing theory would be that you're riding around drinking this alcohol. And that's what they're trying to prevent.
Yes, sir.
And in this case, your lady friend was drinking alcohol.
Well, yes.
Yeah, all right. Find guilty of the amended count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Stipulate the probable cause to dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated.
40, that's an expensive glass of Parmesan.
Yes, it is.
And that's like $5 a night.
He shouldn't stop me anyway.
Huh?
He shouldn't stop me anyway.
Why?
Because what had happened is the person was turning to the right to go to the shopping mall, and it was like a little wet outside, and I just went around him a little bit, and he must have been going to get off work because the police station on the other side, and he had his lights on.
And why do you say he shouldn't stop?
Because I wasn't speeding or nothing, I just had to go around the car real quick and with nothing else in that lane.
I don't know, I wasn't there. But he stopped you.
He did.
You're saying he didn't have probable cause to stop?
No, he didn't. I think he got mad at me too.
What did he get mad at you for?
I don't want to say.
Kid doesn't want to tell that part of it.
Right. Well, you have the right to remain silent about most of that, Your Honor. I mean, Mr. Liddell.
And that's very true, Your Honor. But also, if you would take a look at the count one, there was a no insurance misdemeanor. He may not have had insurance at the time, and that would be the people's reason for stating that the officer had probable cause. He may have insurance today, but on the date and time of the incident, he may not have.
Right. So, Mr. Liddell, one thing you may not know is that these officers.
Oh, no, wait a minute, though. Hold on. I don't know if that rises to the level of probable cause in the sense that you would have to be more facts related to just the fact that he didn't have any insurance.
That is probable cause, Your Honor. If an officer has reason to know that a crime is going to be committed or has been committed, that is probable cause. In this situation, an officer could get right behind you and run your place. That is not illegal for an officer to do. And if that vehicle is not plated properly or insured, that's probable cause.
And I don't have any facts to know that that's what actually happened or why he pulled him over. Mr. Liddell is saying that he could have pulled him over because he weaved around the lane. So
and that's true, Your Honor.
It's not just probable cause just because he doesn't have valid insurance. He would have to know that he didn't have valid insurance. And I didn't hear anything from anybody saying that he just randomly ran his plate or anything like that. I did hear Mr. Liddell say that you weaved over in the lane. Now, is that probable cause to pull you over? I don't know, but it's neither here nor there, but that just because he doesn't have insurance is not without any other facts is not any, there's not in the court's eyes, just absolute probable cause just because he doesn't have any insurance. He would have to be able to articulate to the court what made him come. Was it randomly just pull him over? Because I don't know that. If he just randomly ran his plates, which I do understand he can't do that, but nobody said anything about that. But nevertheless, find you guilty, 240. When can you pay it?
I'm retired and I get a monthly check.
All right. Come back, pay it by October the 9th, all right?
Yes.
2025. You can either pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, all right?
Yes, sir.
Or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways through the website or something like that, but the best ways are either the DivDat or come on down.
Okay.
Any other questions, Mr. Lydell?
No.
All right, you be safe out there. Have a very good day. All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Mr. Reinhardt, be safe. Is that Corporal Reinhardt's?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
All right. Be
Your
safe
Honor,
out there.
didn't Nakisha Bingham check in?
That's the wrong court. Bingham. I don't have a B. I don't have B's. No B's today.
Oh, okay.
All right, be safe.
All right, thank you.
All right, Mr. Baughman, be safe.
Thank you.
You have a very good rest of your day. Who are we ready on?
Your Honor, we are ready on Mark Goodwin.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Mark Goodwin. Mr. Goodwin, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what you want to do?
Your Honor, my client is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a guilty plea and accept, and that is if he was to plead to ticket number ending in 574, count 1. It will be amended to failure to display a license, and count 2, it will be amended to improper plates, and the other 3 matters dismissed.
574, count 1 is amended to what?
Failure to display.
And then 572 is amended to
improper plates.
Thank you. You want to take the deal, Mr. Goodwin?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, sir, please?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
We draw your attention back to June 24th, 2025, around 9:01 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Jefferson and Burns. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
On Jefferson and who?
Jefferson and Burns.
Yeah.
Were you operating this 02 Nissan?
Nissan.
Yeah, 02 Nissan, tan in color.
No. I only thing out there was a Taurus.
Pardon me?
Excuse me?
It says a 02 Nissan.
I never had the 02 Nissan. I had a 2000 Taurus.
All right.
Taurus.
We're gonna take it for the other. We're gonna take it for the other cases then, because those are
I never had. I never had
same
a Nissan.
difference. All right, let me draw your attention back to June the 4th, 2025, around 2 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of McDougal and Gratiot. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
You were operating that 2000 Taurus?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No, I couldn't. I just bought that car and I was trying to put the car on my name because she let me use that plate and she had the insurance.
Oh, so you didn't have valid plate on that vehicle then, right?
She had the plates on it then. They was the plates to her car. They didn't let me.
That car wasn't in your name?
No, they didn't let me. When I went up there, me and her went up there, and they would not let me put the car in my name.
Okay. I'm going to find him guilty of the amended count of failure to display for the driver's license not having for the driving on driver's license revoked. All right. So you don't recall getting pulled over 20 days later?
Yes.
You do recall getting pulled over 20 days later, but you just weren't driving that 2002 Nissan, you were driving that Ford again, correct?
Yes. I never had no Nissan 2000. No, I never had one then.
But were you driving a Nissan, the 2002 Nissan?
I haven't. I never drove the Nissan.
Okay, so it seems like but you're not disputing that you got pulled over on Jefferson and Burns on June the 24th, are you?
No, but I never got pulled over on Jefferson and Burns.
You never got pulled over on Jefferson and Burns?
No, not in no Nissan. I never got pulled over.
Did you get pulled over on Jefferson and Burns in the Ford?
Huh?
Did you get pulled over on Jefferson and Burns in the Ford?
No. I got pulled over on I got pulled over on Gratiot and McDougal.
All right, so I don't think it doesn't seem like I can't take the deal for the I can't take the deal for the improper insurance because he indicates to the court that the car was not in his name.
Yeah.
I can find him guilty up to the driver's license revoked and amended count of failure to display. I can't, he indicates that there was registration on the vehicle. So it just sounds like a material issue of fact here. Then on the other ticket, he indicates that he never got pulled over on Jefferson and Burns, whether that be a Nissan or a Ford, it never happened. I asked you, did you get pulled over 20 days later? You didn't get pulled over twice that month? In the month of June, after you got pulled over on McDougal and Gratiot, you didn't get pulled over again?
No.
Who's the lawyer on this?
Ma'am, Your Honor, we'll have to set it for, we'll have to set these for trial. Might need to get body camera and dash cam footage if he's saying it wasn't him.
All right, I'm gonna appoint you a lawyer, sir. Because it's an issue here. I don't believe I believe he's telling me the truth as best he can recollect. But I don't think that I think it's an issue here. So for that, pardon me?
My apologies, yeah. I'd like to see Ms. Horn in 4.
Ms. Horn, 4, please. All right. I don't think she's here. Oh, she is. All right, I'm gonna appoint you an attorney on this, Mr. Goodwin. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. Is this number you're calling from the best number to reach you?
Yes.
I want you to come back on October the 7th, 2025 at 8:30. Come back then. Hopefully that appointed attorney has contacted you. If not, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay, so you say October the 7th?
October the 7th at 8:30. And that's just set so that attorney can contact you and let that attorney know that you did not get pulled over on, that's your testimony. That's just what you're saying. You did not get pulled over on that day. On the 2nd, on the 24th day. All right, come on back at 8:30, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney.
Okay, so you want me to come to the courthouse?
No, you can call back in.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you. Who's got Robert Grant?
Is that it for me?
That's it for you.
That was me, Your Honor, with Robert Grant. I believe we had already done everything. You asked him when would he be able to pay, but he wasn't able to respond.
Oh, yeah. Mr. Grant, are you there? There he is. Unmute yourself, please. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Robert Grant. Mr. Grant, 125 and 125, 250. When can you pay it? Unmute yourself. Press unmute. There you go. All right, he's not coming through. Something's wrong. You got yourself unmuted, but it's something going on with your device other than. Listen, pay it by October the 9th. October the 9th, all right? He shook his head, yes. All right, pay it by October the 9th, pay it at any DivDat kiosk, any rate, gave the thumbs up. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Grant. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right, thank you. Raise the thumbs up again. Mr. Goodwin, you can leave too. Hang up.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Further questions.
Okay, that's it. I'll see y'all on the.
All right, be safe.
All right, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I was somebody's balls up.
I am.
Just cheap.
They love it. Your anniversary again, Judge?
My anniversary is November 13th.
On November 13th, okay.
Are you gonna give me something wrong?
I don't know yet, Judge. Let me think about it. It wouldn't be a surprise if I told you.
Yep.
You said November the 13th.
It was November 13th. It was Friday the 13th.
Oh, you got married on Friday the 13th? Yeah. It's a Tuesday. You gotta make sure you take off, Judge.
You know,
Judge, you gotta take off. She gonna jump you. Oh, we don't finish. Court closed. So you said November the 13th. Why I keep saying November? No, that's Thursday. We close on the 11th. It's closed because of the holiday. Let's take off the 13th and 14th. I mean,
All right, are we ready?
Your Honor, I don't seem to be able to reach Ms. Horn, not by phone, and although she's appearing here in the courtroom.
so in this case, Judge, hey, you okay with that? Okay. You seem like he was moving a little slow. Just check it out.
Ms. Horn, are you there? Call Ms. Horn.
Kristen, the point. What was he saying? Thursday? Trial date. Judge Gary Brockman wants a trial date for the day. All right. Trial date. Okay. Trial date. You want me to give him a day's trial date, Judge?
Well.
Trial date was gonna be October the 16th. All right. All right. Take care of yourself. That's enough. Okay.
You call Ms. Horn?
Text her right now.
I think Mr. Berry already texted.
Give me a minute.
Thank you. Popcorn. Hi, Tamika Moore, we tried CR434. We need her assistance.
Okay, I'll let her know.
All right, thank you.
Hello? Yep. Okay. Okay. Disorderly conduct. Got it. Okay. Got it.
Is that Ms. Horn?
Yes, it was. She's given me an offer. I'm going to speak with my client.
Okay.
Miss Bradfield and Miss Harris, are you guys good?
Yes.
Okay, all
I'm
right.
good. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome.
Hey, Harry.
Hey, it's me again.
What happened?
So I wanna keep that trial date. Thank you. I think you said October 16th. And, Can we come Thursday for a pretrial? This guy needs, he's got some no insurance civil infractions that we'd like to pay, but we need the court's permission to, pay the reinstatement fee so we can get his license.
So this is the same guy you want to come Thursday?
Right, Kristen LaPointe, I want to come Thursday.
What is about Thursday? Sometimes Thursday is our heaviest day.
You said, I only said Thursday because you said it. I'll come tomorrow, Wednesday, it's even easier for me.
You ain't coming in here. You sound so tired to me. You sure you okay?
You know what, I have 2 weeks, I've been having a cold, I didn't sleep very well last night. I'm okay.
All right.
Thanks for your concern. I am a little under the weather.
All right, take care of yourself. So much people's going through so much lately.
I mean, I know.
All right, let's see Thursday. Yeah, let's do
Friday.
you can do Friday if it's okay with you. That's a better day for you.
Friday's perfect, I don't have anything else. I'll see you then, thank
Okay,
you.
Friday, I'll set you up for Friday.
For Christian LaPointe.
I got his file. I'm writing it right now on top of it.
All right, thank you very much, I'll see you then.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.
All right.
Bye-bye.
That's our last case, ain't it? Okay, where the judge go? Is he gonna come back anytime soon?
Judge went upstairs.
No, I was wondering because I was on Zoom. That's that OWI case that I needed to copy.
Did the judge take care of it?
No, oh, yeah, y'all handled it, I believe, because you gave it to me. I just took it to copy it. Because we don't, it's so old, we don't have the,
Oh, okay.
we don't have no discover on it, Miss Maribel. It probably won't make it to trial.
So when is that motion to dismiss? We can come in.
Because I can't. Just wait and see if the officer show up or not. You probably, it's one of them target cases. Like hers, I can only give her a disorderly. I can't do nothing with it because it's entering without.
Why waste the court's time?
Look,
And some is in all the juries, and then we gonna have to call them tomorrow.
no, so
You
it's a
want to
final
call-
it's a final pre-trial like the day or two before.
But they still have to gather the jurors. And so.
Somebody come, who's it?
Okay.
Look at my face.
I know y'all don't care.
Look,
They
I'd
have
rather
to
waste the
gather
court.
Jurors, and then they have to call all the jurors, the girl work.
Right, so what I'm trying to do.
Not quite. What you got?
Right. Casserole and 2 rocks.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
It won't be.
Hello?
5.
Okay.
So are we ready on this last matter? Elwood?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Hi, Mr. Elwood.
Yes,
Is the judge gonna come back or?
yes, just be patient.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Flack. Apologize for the extended break, but what's gonna happen with the case, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, we'd set this matter for a bench trial date.
All right. Well, you could have did that without waiting here. Trial October 16th, 2025, Ms. Flack at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, can you just give me 1 second to write that into my notes really quick?
Yeah, October 16th, 9 a.m.
Okay, October 16th, 9 a.m. Can you give me the number for the Zoom?
360-434-0000.
Okay, 360
434
434
0000.
0000. Okay, can I just repeat back to you? 360 434 0000.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so
Right
much.
there.